Hi, I'm Kirby Allison. In today's video, we're going to review the Carmina Black CAPTOE Oxford. As part of our dress shoes series, today we're going to take a look at Spanish shoemaker Carmina's best-selling model, their number 80386 Black CAPTOE Oxford in the Forest Triple E last. Recognizing us as one of the leading authorities on luxury men's dress shoes worldwide, Carmina has graciously agreed to give us access to their entire collection of shoes to review for you on our YouTube channel. If you have any questions or comments, please ask them in the comment section below. I try to get back to as many questions personally as I can. And remember, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so that you can learn whenever we post new videos. A CAPTOE Oxford, especially a black CAPTOE Oxford, is the most versatile and elegant shoe a man can own. Its simple design, lack of broguing, and close Oxford lacing combine to create a silhouette of unparalleled beauty. This shoe is not subject to the whims of fashion and will be in style forever. Easily worn with a suit, a tuxedo, or jeans, a simple black CAPTOE Oxford is never inappropriate and the most versatile shoe a man can own. Carmina's number 80386 Black CAPTOE Oxford respects the sacred design elements well-dressed men have come to expect in their CAPTOE Oxfords. Well-balanced, traditional proportions, and a clean, elegant pattern. These Carmina Black CAPTOE Oxfords in black Boxcalf retail for $450 with free shipping anywhere in the United States. For those who live internationally, the shoes can be purchased for €395 on Carmina's EU website. Based on the Spanish island of Majorca, Carmina is best known for their cult-like following amongst shoe aficionados for their ability to combine extraordinary softness and comfort with sturdy Goodyear welting and elegant last designs. For those who enjoy the more nuanced elements of shoemaking, Carmina offers an excellent value with most of their calfskin models beginning at just $450 with free shipping to the United States. Carmina Shoemaker can trace its origins back to 1866 when artisan Matias Pujadas opened a workshop in Inca, Majorca, where he began crafting handmade shoes. The family continued working in the shoemaking industry until 1997 when Pujadas' great-grandson Jose Alvadejo realized their dream to create their own family-owned factory dedicated to making some of the world's finest handcrafted shoes. Today, the company is still very much a family affair with no fewer than 5 family members directly involved. It is important to note that because Carmina is both the factory and the brand, and that the majority of their sales are direct, they are able to integrate many shoemaking elements into their shoes that one would not necessarily expect to see at $450. All uppers are hand-clicked, the channels are closed on the outsoles, welts are hand-fudged, full leather outsoles and heel blocks are used, and brass tacks are hand-nailed into the toes of every pair for added durability. The company also offers an extensive range of stock models and one of the easiest to use online made-to-order web interfaces for anyone looking to design a totally one-off shoe. It is this wide range of styles and the ability to turn out a high number of individual made-to-order shoes that has won over shoe aficionados. This Carmina Black CAPTOE Oxford is built on the company's extra-wide Forest Triple E last. One of the company's oldest and most traditional lasts, the Forest last has a soft, round toe that gives the shoe a very conservative, traditional shape. This is perfect for a business shoe, subtly striking in its elegance and beauty without being exaggerated or out of place. With a high-gloss mirror shine, it would be hard not to immediately recognize the quality of these shoes. The cap is quite large and balanced with the long vamp. The 5-eyelet instep shortens the tongue of the shoe, allowing the focus to be on the vamp and the toe cap. This elongates the silhouette of the shoe and achieves a nice balance and aesthetic. The upper features double stitching along the cap and around the vamp, with single needle stitching along the facing of the shoe and edge of the pattern. The stitching is executed with a high stitch density that elevates the finesse of the silhouette. It is clearly, carefully, and skillfully done by hand. The Forest Triple E last offers a roomier fit and more volume than the same model from other makers, and even the same shoe made on other lasts. The shoe features a nice, square waist with good definition where the upper is pulled over the last. This is one of the elements that really separates a beautiful, well-made shoe from less expensive models. The additional work required to pull the upper over the last helps add shape and elegance to the upper and prevents the shoe from appearing square. You can really appreciate the definition that's added to the last along the long edges of the shoe. Here on the exterior, you can see how the upper is pulled over the last, giving it definition, but even more so on the inside of the edge, where the upper rolls over the toe in the instep to the heel. The single needle stitching across the facing of the instep features a soft arch that is elegant and easy on the eye, while the vamp pattern sweeps back almost 1 centimeter before the beginning of the heel. The quality and construction continues around the shoe to the heel. The upper sits nicely and tightly on top of the heel base without any unsightly gaps between the heel and the upper. The Goodyear welting ends where the waist meets the heel, allowing the heel to be more precisely and tightly fit to the upper. This is an important element of craftsmanship and quality that translates to a more elegant, sculpted look at the heel. The heel also features a nice shape and definition and a slight pinch at the top. Other important elements of design include decreasing width laces with the beautiful crescent arch, precise single and double needle stitch construction with high stitch density and proximity to the edge, a 3-piece pattern with the toe cap, vamp, and rear quarters, waxed and polished edges and heels and a finished outsole, welt fudging, and a closely trimmed sole edge. Carmina's black CAPTOE Oxfords are made using black Boxcalf or chrome tanned leather from the German tannery Weinheimer Leder. Chrome tanned leather is dyed and finished at the tannery, which guarantees an even, stable finish that you do not have to worry about fading or coming off when you polish your shoes. The leather is, of course, open pore and features an even grain structure. The patterns are clicked or cut out by hand, allowing the pattern to be positioned to avoid any undesirable blemishes that are unique to every hide. Full leather outsoles are used with full leather heel blocks, and metal toe taps can be added at an additional charge. Carmina is so well known among shoe enthusiasts because of how well their shoes are constructed. All of the elements of quality and craftsmanship that one would expect in a high-quality pair of factory-made, Goodyear welted shoes can be found here. Beyond this price point, you begin to hit the point of diminishing marginal return, but the value here is quite exceptional. First, the shoe is completely Goodyear welted, which is the de rigueur of high-quality factory-made shoes. Goodyear welting is the process whereby a leather strip is sewn to a linen ribbing which is attached to the insole. The outsole is then stitched to the welt. This is important because a high-quality pair of shoes like these, if taken care of properly, will easily outlast the lifetime of the outsole and heels by several orders of magnitude. A high-quality leather outsole like the ones these are made with should easily yield 3 to 5 years of regular use. However, the upper, if properly polished and not destroyed by water or snow, could last 20 to 30 years. What it allows is for a pair of shoes to be easily resoled without disturbing the footbed, the integrity, fit, or shape of the shoe. The outsoles can be easily pulled off and new ones sewn back on by a skilled cobbler, like with our Kirby Allison shoe restoration program. Carmina uses a 3/4, not a 360-degree welt, which ends right at the heel base. This is the preferred method on higher quality shoes because it allows the heel to sit more neatly on top of the heel block. The outsole also features a high stitch density, which further adds to the finesse of the shoe. These Carmina black CAPTOE Oxfords are available stock from a UK size 5 to a UK size 14 in both an E and a triple E width. UK sizes are a half size smaller than the equivalent US shoe size. So if you are a 9.5 in an American shoe, such as an Allen Edmonds, you'd want to purchase a UK 9 from Carmina. The only challenge to Carmina is that they don't have an extensive brick and mortar network of stores here in the United States. However, Carmina does have a boutique in New York City, as well as several boutiques throughout Europe. And Carmina offers free international shipping on orders over $180 and flat rate return shipping for $35. The Forest Triple E last on which these are made features a regular instep and more room across the forepart of the foot. The Style 8386 is also available in the Rain last in both calfskin, cordovan, and patent leather. The Rain Last features a slightly squared off toe, which is more modern in its aesthetic compared to the Forest Triple E Last. I really have to say that I love Carmina and can understand why they have such a strong following amongst budget-conscious and quality-seeking shoe aficionados. Carmina is able to deliver a shoe at a higher quality than the comparable shoe from American brands. Because Carmina is both the factory and the brand, and because a majority of their distribution is direct, they're able to pack a higher amount of quality into their shoes than what is commonly found at this price point. Carmina is passionate for shoemaking, and everything about how these shoes are constructed and finished is superb. At $450, they're an incredible value and a shoe that anyone could be proud to wear anywhere. We hope that you enjoyed this in-depth review of the Carmina Black CAPTOE Oxfords and the Forest Triple E Last. Click the link in our video description to view our full playlist of videos from our shoe review series. If you enjoyed this video, please visit our website, hangerproject.com, where we have collected and curated the finest assortment of luxury garment care and luxury shoe care accessories in the world, as well as other products for the well-dressed. I'm Kirby Allison, and we love to help the well-dressed acquire and care for their wardrobes. Thanks for joining me.